Hi folks, it's Jeff living here, and today we're talking about another light from Surefire. So if you want to know more, then stick around. The EDCL2 T. Now this is a tactical light, and I bought this as a tactical light. A lot of you would have seen my stiletto review, which I bought as an everyday sort of carry light. And we'll go over the difference between those in a little bit. So first, let's have a bit of a closer look. There's a nice strike bezel here. Nice beamy thing there. You have a two-directional pocket clip, so you can carry this in your pocket, bezel up or bezel down, depending on your preference. We got some nice knurling going around it there. And here we have the tail cap and the tactical switch, which we'll get into shortly. And we have a lanyard loop, which is quite fun. Okay, so anyway, this bugger here is, in my opinion, probably the perfect tactical light, at least for me anyway. Now, it's only a two-trick pony. It does two things, and that's go low and high. Now, this tactical switch here is what they call the gas pedal switch. So you press it slightly, and you get 5 lumens. You press it all the way, and you get this amazing 1200 lumens. So this is a temporary only switch. It doesn't lock on at all. If you want the light to lock on, you simply press twist the tail cap, and that is going to give you your 5 lumens, and keep on going, and it's going to give you that blistering 1200 lumens. So this doesn't have a strobe mode. You need to know that, because if that's a deal breaker for you, then it is. It doesn't worry me much. I don't really need a strobe mode. Okay, so it takes a couple of CR123 batteries, which are these buggers here. Put it right there for you. And Surefire does recommend that you only use their batteries. Of course they would. But I have heard of people that use a less expensive 123, and they do just fine, but probably you're not going to get the optimum lumens. But there you go, there's that. Alright, we'll have a look at some specs. And what do we got here? The output, as it said, the high is 1200 lumens, the low is 5 lumens. Okay, the runtime on high is about 1 hour. The runtime on low is about 60 hours. That's 60 hours. Peak beam intensity is 11,300 candela. So yeah, this is quite a thrower. And the distance is about 210 meters. This is made of alloy or aluminum. And it's a hard anodized finish. The weight on it is 4.7 ounces. The length is 5.93 inches. Your bezel diameter is 1.25 inches. As I said, there's two 123 batteries in there. And the switching is the dual stage tactical tail cap. So there's that. So, accessories for this light. It comes with your instruction manual, a Surefire sticker, and a pamphlet telling you about more of their items. And a safety read before use kind of thing. If you've never owned a flashlight before, you might want to read that. Okay, so why did I buy this light? I got this as a tactical or self-defense light. That's its main purpose. But the thing is, you can carry it EDC. I've carried this around for about 3 days now in my front jeans pocket. And yeah, you hardly notice it's there. It rides really well. I will just give you a quick demonstration of that. So here is the bezel up carry, which is not normally me. I prefer the bezel down carry, just like so. But either way, it's going to ride very comfortably in your pocket. So as I said, I got this as a tactical or self-defense light, which could be used for EDC. Now here I've got my stiletto, which I bought for EDC, but could be used as tactical. See the difference there? Okay, so yeah, I do really like this light. It's not cheap. It's gonna set you back about $125 US. So you have to know that. But it's a great light. And I'll tell you what, the 1200 lumens on here will definitely disable an assailant. You know, you're gonna temporarily blind them with this bad boy here. I don't think my camera liked that too much. But there you go. So if you're in the market for a tactical flashlight, this might be one you want to look at. So yeah, like I say, Surefire and Olight and Streamlight and Nightcore also do really good ones, which aren't going to set you back quite this amount of money. But you get the Surefire lifetime guarantee, and that makes it worth it for me. Well, there you go. Another fun light review under the table. So, until next time, this is Jeff Sledden saying take care, and remember that half of your night, half of your life is spent in the dark, and so it's important to have good tools to see. Alright, folks, we'll talk to you again soon. Take care. Bye now.